Babies have quite different foot sizes. Some are wide and short, some are long and slim. They are also growing so fast. Many shoe patterns are hard to adjust, especially for beginners. Today I'll show you a baby shoe pattern. It's so easy to adjust for different sizes. Add some decorations. You can make quite different shoes like those two pairs. Let's start with the sole pattern. To explain this sole pattern, we need to look at the flat circle pattern first. The first round has 6 single crochets. In the second round, we increase 1 every stitch. The third round, increase 1 every 2 stitches. For round number X, we increase 1 every X minus 1 stitches. Given the material hook and your tension during crochet, the diameter of the circle is determined by the number of rounds, and this diameter is the width of this sole pattern. Once you know the number of rounds to reach a certain baby shoe width, we can move to next step. Let's divide the circle and insert the columns of single crochets in between. The more the columns of single crochets, the longer the shoe. The number of columns will decide the length of the shoe. Now I have explained how to adjust the sole width and length to fit baby feet. I'll show you how to crochet a sole with 5 rounds and 10 extra single crochet columns in between. I use for a 6 to 12 months baby. Start with a knot. Chain 11, 5, 10, 11. Second chain from the hook. 1 single crochet on each chain for a total of 10 single crochets. Put the marker on the starting single crochet. And the ending single crochet. And 3 more single crochet in the last chain space. For returning pass, starting from the last chain space, 1 single crochet each. Again for 10 stitches. Now put a marker on the first of the 10 stitches. And put the marker on the last. Insert 3 stitches into this chain space. Now we have completed the first round. The top and bottom stitches between the markers are for the sole side edge, and the left and the right stitches between the markers are for the front and the back. Now slip stitch to the stitch under the red marker. Chain 1. 1 single crochet in the same stitch space. Put a marker on this single crochet and 9 more single crochets till the next marker. For these 3 stitches on the end, insert 2 single crochets each. Again, 10 single crochets between the markers. For 3 stitches in this end, we'll also insert 2 single crochets in each stitch. One slip stitch to the stitch under the red marker. Chain 1, single crochet in the same space. This is the first stitch for the next round. The stitch number will stay at 10 for the top and the bottom edges between the markers, and I'll only increase on both ends in the same way. Again 10 single crochets. Now for 6 stitches in this end, we will follow the pattern 1 single, 2 singles, 1 single, 2 singles, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochets in the second stitch, 1 single crochet in the third stitch, 2 single crochets in the fourth stitch, and 1 single crochet again, 2 single crochets again. Finally, we have 9 stitches. Same as the other side, 10 single crochets. For the 6 stitches in this end, we will do exactly the same thing as the other end. That is, increase 1 stitch every 2 stitches. For the future round, please refer to the first part of this video. Basically, for round number X, increase 1 stitch every X minus 1 stitches. So next round will increase 1 every 3 stitches, and the next round will increase 1 every 4 stitches. Okay, so this is what I have after 5 rounds and 10 single crochet columns in between. And the size is what I want. Now we just need to finish the work by hiding the yarns. I made 2 of them to have actual thickness. Align the stitches and use another yarn to hold them together. Another round in the center, and we hide all the extra yarns. Okay, so this is a finished sew. It is for this pair of shoe, and I will leave the shoe body part to next video. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I will have regular updates.